There are a lot of crappy real estate agents out there. And unfortunately, you don't find out that you're working with one until it's too late. Of the approximately 1.5 million licensed real estate agents in the US, about half of them have done 2 or fewer transactions this year. I don't know about you, but if I went to a surgeon or a financial planner and they've only worked with 2 people this year, I might get a little bit worried that I wasn't getting the best. And there are a lot of agents out there who are part-timers or frankly just not all that good at their jobs. You want to find somebody who can really do the job for you. Now, I'm licensed in Minnesota, but that doesn't mean I can't help you elsewhere. I've developed a terrific network of agents around the country and beyond who do their job extremely well. They're local experts. And I am able to reach out and identify the proper agent for you or your friends or someone else you know anywhere. Oftentimes, the hardest thing about a real estate transaction is aligning yourself with the right people. I can help you with that. I interview agents all the time for clients and friends of mine who are buying or selling outside of Minnesota. These agents are very good at what they do. And believe it or not, they've done more than 2 transactions this year. So, let me do the legwork and set you up for success.